Hello everyone, welcome to wpathfinder.com. In this video, I will show how you can create a similar type of car rental or booking website. People will able to visit your website, collect all information you provide, all the services you provide. You can add information here, and they will able to filter this type of cars, all cars you provide, and they can book any type of car if they want. Like if I visit this web page, they can book any car from here, and after that you will able to add more detailed information about specific car. And here you can add a search for car button, and this type of procedure page, like apply the app, choose a car and pick up. So this how it works section you can add, and here you will add more information about pricing and other things. So you can make a similar type of website exactly look like this one. So I will show how you can register domain and hosting, and then make a website like this one. So for registering domain and hosting, we use bluehost.com. Here you have to visit the host your website, this link, and you have to select a plan or package here. So if I choose this basic one, we will get a free domain for first year, a free CDN and free SSL for the first year. So we can host one website and 10 GB SSD storage. So for 1 year we will register this package. So if I click on select option, it will take us to the next page, and here we will search our domain name, our car rental service website. If I search this domain name and hit on next, it will come up with a result, and here we will able to register the domain name if it's available. So our car this .com domain is available, so we can just fill out all the necessary information, or we can sign in with Google. After that we have to check this agree button, and here I need to submit. So it will take us to the payment page, and payment will be completed. After completing the payment, you will get an email from the Bluehost company, and you will receive all the login credentials of your control panel. So using the control panel, I already logged in on my hosting. So we are using this demo domain name called dhakarfood.com. This domain I registered and not using for any purpose, so I thought I can use this domain name to make this tutorial. And here I already logged in on my control panel. So when you register domain and hosting, you will get a similar control panel from your hosting provider, and we will install WordPress on our hosting. So here if I scroll down and search for WordPress, you will find WordPress manager by Softwarecollage, this section, and you have to click on this option, or you can click on this script also. So after that if I click on install, it will take me to the installation page, and here our domain name is automatically selected, and I will leave the directory empty. And after that here I will type my site name, like my car rental website, and here I can add a description, best car rental website. And then here we can change the username like Dhakarfood, and here I will add a password. So I will just type my password, and here we can change the email address, or we can keep it. After filling out all the information, we can click on install, So our WordPress installation will start, and once WordPress installation is complete, you will notice this congratulations message, and after that WordPress has been successfully installed. So if I visit the website now, you will notice it's completely blank. So in our website we already installed WordPress, and it's showing with very basic template. So we will change this layout, and we will make this layout on our website. So for making this type of website, this similar website, we need this theme called cars for rental. So if I install this theme on our website, it will be look like same one. So we will visit the WordPress control panel from here, like administrative URL. If I click on this domainname.com/wp admin, it will take us to the admin panel of our WordPress dashboard. So whenever you type this your domainname.com/wp-admin, it will take you to the admin panel of your WordPress, and you just need to use your ID and password, like username and password that we created once when we were installing WordPress on our hosting. So after that we need to click on this appearance and then visit the themes section. So here you will find add new option, and here you have to upload the themes. So I already downloaded the themes here, and I will add this download link in the video description, so you can download these themes. So I will we cannot install these themes from this uploader, because this only upload allows 2 MB file size to upload. But this, if you notice, this theme is more than 31 MB, so we cannot upload this one. But this one child theme we can install, but we will I will show another method so you can install both of this theme together. So I will just skip this installation for now, and here we are in the appearance then theme section, and you will notice there are 3 basic themes, like one is active, 2022, 2020 and 2021 is inactive, but they are available. So we will install more 2 theme here. For doing that, we will visit the control panel from here, and in the control panel we have to visit the file manager section. So once you are in the file manager section, you have to just visit the public_html folder, and then wp content, this section, and then themes section. So these are 3 themes we seen in this panel or this tab. Here are 3 themes available, and 3 themes are here. So we will upload our themes here with this upload button, and if I click on upload option and select these 2 theme, like I will just drag and drop them here, and both the theme are uploaded here. So we can just click on go back to home this path, and here if I click, and here you will notice 2 themes added. So I will just click here and I will just extract it, and then I will extract this theme as well. So you have to just select the theme and right click on your mouse, and then select extract button, and after that click on extract files. So both the themes we extracted, and I will just reload the page. So both themes are available here. So we had 3 themes before, and we added 2 more themes here. So if I just reload this page again, currently there are 3 themes, and if you reload, you will notice 2 more theme added here. And I will just activate this cars for renter. So this one I will just activate, and it will notify that we need to install these plugins in our website to make the theme functional. So we activated this child theme. We did not activated the main theme because once you install the child theme, it's best practice to activate the child theme on your WordPress website. So after that you will just click on Bing installing plugins, and here I will select all the plugins together using this checkbox, and here I will just select install from the drop down, and then I will click on apply. After installing and activated the plugins, you will need to click on return to dashboard. So all the plugins are installed and activated successfully. So if you visit the dashboard, you will find more options here, like currently you will notice some options available, but once you return to dashboard, you will notice more options added here. So you have to just click on return to the dashboard, and it will take you to the dashboard. So you will notice more theme options are added here, like clients, services, cars, testimonial, appointments, and similar some other options like sliders, essential grids. These options are added. So you can using these options you can add more functionalities on your website, and you can edit all the theme features. So after all options are ready, you have to visit the appearance section, and from here you have to visit the install demo data section. So we have to select this whole demo site content options because we want everything to import. So I will just click on start import option, and here the process will start. So our posts imported successfully, then theme options, and then theme settings, widgets, and media is now being imported. After that, thumbnails, essential grids, and revolution slider will be imported. Once all the import process is complete, you will able to visit your website, and you will find everything will look like this demo URL. So this demo layout will be installed on your website, and you can just edit and change all this text, images, and other car informations. So your website will be fully functional, and you will just need to edit all those contents. So thumbnails, media is imported 100%. So our thumbnails are being imported. After that, essential grids and revolution slider will be imported. So we have to wait few moments. One thing you must need to consider, like attention, some plugins, for example WordPress and WooCommerce, increase the memory consumption at 60 to 80 MB depending on the configurations. So you have to increase the memory limit if you are using WordPress and WooCommerce. We are not using this, so it's not our concern. So our data import process is complete, and I will click on visit site. And our website is ready with demo content. So it's look like exactly the demo one. If you check, everything are perfect, and you can easily make changes on your website using theme editor and other things. So I will show how you can change all these things and text like images and other things. For editing this page contents, you just need to click on edit with WP page builder, and it will start editing. You can edit only the page contents after the header part, like this is the part of header top, and this is the header. So you cannot change these options from using this edit with WP Bakery. I will show how you can change these options also. And another thing you cannot change with this edit with WP Bakery is the footer part. These parts you cannot change with this edit with WP Bakery page builder. So I'll just click on edit with WP Bakery page builder and change some content in front of you, so you can learn how you can make changes on your website content like text, images and other things. So once our page is ready with editor, we will start editing, and here you will notice our page is ready. And if you notice this slider, you cannot edit from here because this is the part of revolution slider. So I will show how you can change the slider later, but now I will show how you can change this text, like looking for the right service. Here if you just click on this service icon, you can change, like here service style 1, this you can change, and here is the icons type image and other things you can just change. And if you want to make changes on this column, you just need to click on this pencil icon, and here you can modify all these options. For changing this text, you just need to here if you scroll, or we can just click on backend editor, because editing with backend editor is much flexible. So I'll just click on backend editor and it will open in this editor here. So first of all there has an empty space, and after that the service tab. So if I click on this pencil icon, it will open in a pop-up box, and here we can change all the text and other things. So if you scroll down, here are some options, you have to change them and check, and then the slider, no slider, and then the caption. So looking for the right service, if I visit the website in another tab, you will notice this text we were trying to change. So I will just scroll down. So this is the text, you can easily modify this one and hit save changes. Also you can add subtitle and description here, so it will be added. And here is the button URL. So if here is the URL, search for the cars, so you can just add the URL here. So the button caption is search for car, and other things. And query like post service list column 3, number of post is showing 3, like this are some services post. So if I visit the dashboard again, and here you will find services option here, and if I visit this services option, all services option, and here you will notice these are services options. So these are added: business rental, luxury rental and travel rental. So this is business rental, luxury rental and traveling rental. So these are added here. So you can just modify from here, like if you want to show 2 columns, you can do that, or you can minimize the 2 number post, 2 posts, or you can increase it as well. So post order is descending, that's why last posts are showing in first. So you can just modify this query and other things like size, margin and other things, and it will be modified here. After that, why choose us and this image bar. So if I edit visit the page editor, here you will notice why choose us text is available. So you will just need to click on this pencil icon, and here why choose us option is selected. And after that there are columns, so and block containers. So you can just change these things using these options. So for changing you just need to click on this block container or other things. This is the image you can change, like if you want to change this image, you just need to click on this pencil icon, and here you can change this car icon. And if you want to change this text, you can change that as well. Like here are icons and text, so here is the icon and text. So if you want to change this text, gas and insurance included, you can just modify from here. Next text is block containers, so next text is any locations. So any locations, so you have to check where the text is, and after that you just need to click on this pencil icon and you can modify that text here. So after that our cars, so this slider or carousel section is here. So you just need to click on this blogger and category. So if you click on this category option, it will display and you can just filter all the details. So for here you can change the caption and query like posts, and here you can show total number of posts here and descending order. So all the cars will be displayed here using that category. So this all these menu items you can add here from admin panel. I will show theme options. Where is this theme option? I will show, and I will help you editing. So after that there are more images and other things. So for editing and our next section, we need to edit the services. Here is the services and icon and other things. So you can change the slider from here, the caption from here, and query. This is the query section, and after that this is the size and margin section. So you can just modify all of them. So after that, how it's work section, you just need to find out the text, and after that you have to edit. So you have to visit these sections and you just can edit all these section from here. So you just need to find a section, and here you will need to just click on this pencil icon and you will able to modify all of these contents. So after that I will show how you can change header, slider and other things. For editing any other pages, you have to do same with that page. Like if I close this tab and here I will visit another page. So just if I visit the contacts page and I want to change any kind of content of this contact page, we just need to click on edit with WP page, bakery page builder here, and then we need to click on backend editor here, and you can edit with this page editor as well, but using backend editor will provide more flexibility and you can easily modify all the things. Like if I want to change this map or these things, you can just modify easily. You just need to find out that text, and here you just need to click on edit title or anything you want to change, and this little pencil icon will help you editing all the things easily. And now we will learn how you can change the header, logo and other things, like this contact our rental specialist, this phone number and this menu and these images. For changing these things, we need to visit this theme option from appearance. So if you hover over on appearance, you will find these theme options and you have to click on this, and here you will find options like body styles like box or wide, and page padding and other color schemes you can change from here. And after that, this header option, so this the top panel style you can choose from here, and top panel image you can set from here. Like if you visit the any page, like if you visit this contact page, here you will find an image in the background, and you can modify that from here. And after that you can select the position, top panel position, and top panel color schemes here, title, show or hide, you can do that. And after set the main menu, you will display the default one. So I will show you how you can change the main menu from default. Like if I visit this appearance, then menu section, you will find there are all menu sections are available here. So main menu and other services menu, these two menus are available. If you want to modify any kind of menu options, you just need to drag from here. Like if we want to add this home wide option in the menu, we just need to select that page and click on add to menu, and it will be added on our home page. So after that we can easily drag and drop hit the page wherever we want. And once your menu is ready, you just need to select that main menu option here, and then click on save menu option, and this will added as default menu. And here if you visit the themes options, global options, here you will notice the menu is added. So this is showing main menu, so you can select that from here and display if you want. After that there are more options like main menu attachment, fix menu position, and main menu hover effect, fade or others. If you don't understand these, you can make them default, or if you understand them, you can just change all of this. And after that, show user menu area. So user menu area is this. If you notice, this is the user menu area. So if you want to show or hide, you can just click on this yes, and it will be disable, or you can enable it if you want. And after that, table of content, position, and then the main logo section. So if you notice, there is the logo. If you want to add this logo, you just want to upload from here. Just click choose image, and here you can upload image and select that image. The image URL will be displayed here, and a logo image for retina. If you want, you can upload, or you can skip that. So this way you can easily upload your logo and header top panel image. After that, the slider you can hide or activate. So after that, the sidebars and footers, other things. So you have to check these sections, and you can modify that. And the footer, if you visit the footer section, here is the footer settings area. Like there are 3 sidebars here, and you can change all the footer copyright text from here. Like this is the copyright text. If I scroll down here you will notice this copyright text. You can easily modify them from here. So I will close this menu now, and this is the option copyright text. So text and social icons. So here you can modify your social text, and after that we will check how you can change these text, like upper top bar or header top text and other things. So for doing that, you have to click on these options, contact information. So here is the contact information, like your email address you can add, address you can add, and this is address part 2, and then our phone level contact, like contact our rental specialist. Here is the contact our rental specialist, and then phone number. So this is the phone number you can modify and show. So these are the options you can modify from here. And if you want to change the social icons, like if we notice that there are some social options in the footers, so we can modify these social networks from here. So if I click on this add icon, this will be added, and you can easily add or modify from here. So this is the Facebook URL, and then this is the Twitter URL. So whenever you click on this item, one item will be added repeatedly, so you can add and modify these things. And after that, if you click on this add icon, and here the icon, you can modify the icon, and that icon, like if you add new social icon here, like if you want LinkedIn here, you can add the LinkedIn URL here. So this is super easy to add. And after that, you can check more theme options from here and modify. So all other things are we already shown, but one thing we did not show, that how you can modify these footer widgets. So for changing footer widgets, you have to visit this widgets section, appearance, then widgets. So it's opening in classic widget. I will just Gutenberg widget, so we will just install classic widget plugin. For doing that, I will click on plugins, then add new. Here I will install this classic widgets and activate the widget. So I will close this, and here I will just reload the widgets page. So you will notice the widgets are now more arranged, and footer widgets, if I click on this, and here you will notice the car rental, cars for rent, show logo and social links. So you can just modify this description, and the logo, you just need to copy the logo URL and add it here. So logo, text and other things you can add and modify, so it will be impacted here. After that, recent posts, here recent posts are showing. So recent posts section, you just selected 2 posts. If you want to increase the number of posts, you can do that. And after that, newsletter sign up section, that is basically a short code created by developers. So you can modify this one, or this one is coming from MC4 WP forms. From WP forms it's coming, so you can modify that if you want. And after that, your website will be ready. And one more and major thing I want to show you, that how people will able to book on your website or take appointments of any car. Like if someone visit your website, I will just copy my website address, and from here I will click on this 3 dot, and here new incognito window. So if I open the website in incognito mode, it will open my website as user advantages, not as admin. So in this tab I added as admin, but I added another incognito mode here and opened the website as users. So if I scroll down here and meet our cars section, so this section, if I open this Honda Civic car, I will just click on this car, and it's opened in this URL. So if anyone wants to make an appointment, like if anyone want to book this car, they just need to click on this book now button, and it will take them to the booking calendar. And here they will see all available dates. Like these dates are not available, but this date is available, so they can book these dates, or they can go ahead and select another month. So when I select this next month, and here all the dates are available, and if I want to book this date, so I will just click on this date the number 8, and here all day long booking is available. So I will just click on book appointment here, and after that here you will notice request an appointment, welcome back, please sign in, but there is no register option or booking. Other options we cannot add before signing, but if there is no registration option, so how a new user can register and book? So for doing that we will visit the admin panel, and here I will visit the dashboard of our WordPress. So when I click on this dashboard option, it took us to the domainname.com/wp admin, and here I will visit the settings section and then general section, and here in membership section I will check this anyone can register option, and here I will just hit on save changes. So I will visit the incognito browser again, and here I will just reload the page, and if you notice there are some available dates, so I will just select anyone from here, and if I click on this book appointment option here, and you will notice more options are displaying now here, because we enabled new user registration, and new user can register and book appointment. So for doing that new customers will be selected, and here I can add my name, and then I will add my email address like this one, and after that we need to choose a password from here, and then click on request appointment. So this date is now unavailable, and if I visit this dashboard again, and from the appointments if I visit the pending section, here you will notice that I made an appointment. So I just need to click on this approve option, and this appointment will be confirmed. So after that if you visit these appointments, you will able to check what's available, what's appointments are made. So also if you visit from this incognito tab, you just need to click on this reload option, and here you will notice this date is booked. So this way anyone can book car rental or cars on your website, car rental website. So you just need to change all these images and other things, and this phone number and other things, this logo, and your website will be ready. And now I will show how you can change this slider of your website. For changing this slider, we just need to visit this slider revolution section, and here I will just click on slider revolution, and then we have to find out that slider here. So we have two sliders available, so I will edit the home one, and here you will notice all the slider options are available. If you hover over on that slide, you will notice 3 slides are available here, and you just need to change the slides. Like if you want to edit on slide 2, you just click on #2 slide, and that slide will be open in editor, and after that you can just modify that text with these options. So for here rental a car, you just modify that rent my car, and it will be impacted here. So you can just select any text here, and it will be open in this editor, and you can modify that. So after that, if you want to change this background image, you just need to click on this save as slide bg image, bg animation, and then click on this image icon, and here your image will be opened. And if you click on media library, you can change the image as well. So here if I just select the image and click on insert, this image will be changed and our new media added successfully. So after changing all the text and other stuffs, you just need to click on save option, and it will be impacted on your website. So this way you can easily change the slide options and the text of your website and make a similar design stunning WordPress website. So if you find the video helpful, please subscribe our channel.